What's up, guys? If you are a fan of the original Judge Dredd movie with Sylvester Stallone, then sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Okay guys, welcome back. As you already saw in one of my previous video, I 3D printed the Judge Dredd badge. I painted it, go check it out. And this was kind of a jump to a bigger project. So these are all 3D printed parts that I have here. And this is going to be the not so famous but the awesome ABC warrior from the original movie. Maybe I can, it's going to be something like this. This guy is big. I printed this at 150%. I will put down a link below where you can download these files. With 3D printed parts there comes sanding. I hate sanding, everybody hates sanding, but I found some spray putty in my local hardware store. I already tested it and it sprays out very smooth and sands out very easy and very quickly. So this will give you less time to sand everything. I also tested it with you know, some resin and other epoxy stuff, and it's too hard to sand and it takes ages. But the spray putty I'm going to show you during the video, this works awesome. So let's get started. Okay guys, welcome back with this little update. What we did so far is we glued all the necessary pieces together, filled up the seams, used this spray putty to cover everything, and afterwards I sanded, of course. A little word about this spray putty. This is awesome stuff. It's not a normal primer. This one is thicker and it sands really quick and easy. I noticed that some of you who painted their 3D printed objects use some kind of polyester resin. It also smoothed out your 3D print, but it's much harder. When you put on a coat of this, you know, with 5 strokes, it's sanded, it's smooth. And with the polyester or the resin, it takes hours to get everything smooth. So what we're going to do next is paint everything using the, where is it? You know, the rust paint. Okay, so how does this paint actually works? You first start with 2 or 3 coats of the rust paint, and this dries out in, you know, in about 10 minutes. It dries really quick, and even without applying the activator, this is start to oxidize and already giving this rust effect. So once the rust paint is dry, you are going to use the activator using this little spray. You just spray it on, of course, but it has to be wet for at least 30 minutes. Keep in mind that you will have to apply 3 or 4 coats with this activator to keep the paint wet for around 30 minutes. And after 1 hour it's dry. And I also bought this one. This is some matte leg spray to seal everything up and stops it from further oxidizing. So yeah, let's continue, guys. So here we have a little update. So what I did, I took a closer look to the moment where the ABC Warrior was shown in the movie. So I thought it would be cool to, you know, add some accents, and I thought that by using these plastic tubes that I found in my local hardware store, you know, to give the impression that these are used for the hydraulic system that you know, moves the head. This is also something I found. This is a socket to put a light bulb in there, and I thought that I could use this together with this plastic tube, and I could make some kind of, you know, some vein that connects the head to the body, where all the electrical wires are running through. It already has some nice texture to it, so I definitely will be using this, and this will be painted in yeah, metallic silver, and all the tubes will be painted in matte black. And once this is done, I'm going to connect the head to the base, and also installing all these wires and tubes. So by adding all these extra elements, I think it would have, you know, that extra punch to the ABC Warrior. Let's continue. What's up everybody, and welcome almost at the end of this video. And here he is. Yeah, just look at this bad boy. It's a badass. I'm really loving it. Very pleased with the result. For those who know me or following me a little bit, you must know by now that I'm always trying to go for that realistic look, and I think personally it turned out just great. If you followed my video, then you probably should know how everything is working. The power adapter is in the back, and there is an electrical wire that is running through one of the pistons, through the head to both the eyes. And everything is hidden perfectly. You don't even notice it. You probably remember that I already did, you know, the Judge Dredd badge. Let me get that for you. And so those two pieces fit perfectly together. So again, I found this 3D print model on the internet. I will put the link down below. I modified some parts because personally I didn't like them. You know, the connectors for the pistons were, to my opinion, too small. So if you download this file, you will see that some items are not in there because I added them personally. And by adding these elements, for me, it's, you know, the back, it's much fuller, and that was the whole idea. And as always, I'm going to end this summary with some close-up footage of this ABC Warrior. Hope you all guys liked it, you learned something from it. And if you have any comments or questions, please put them down below. I will be happy to answer them. And yeah, I will see you all in my next video. Diorama Builders signing out. Bye guys.